Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video explains how to enable dark mode, night mode on YouTube on desktop. So let's get started. Step 1. On a computer, open youtube.com and sign into your account. Step 2. Click your profile pic, top right, to access the menu. In that menu, find the Appearance option. Step 3. You can switch between light mode, dark mode, or use device theme. The guide recommends dark mode. Step 4. Selecting dark mode just for YouTube avoids affecting other apps. Step 5. You can see successfully enabled dark mode. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.